Hi, I'm Maria. I'm a journey guide expert at Byway. In this series, we're sharing advice, tips and tricks on how you can organize yourself a slow travel trip. And of course, if you'd rather not untangle the world of seat reservation yourself, Byway can take the whole trip out of your hands. We'll build the route, book every ferry and train and hotel, and stay on hand throughout your trips just in case anything needs replanning. You can find the full series linked below with more information on everything you need to plan your trip. We hope you find this useful. Let's get into it. A dozen trains, a ferry or two, a hotel here and there. By the time you leave, everything is scattered across multiple tabs and spreadsheets. A journey guide fixes that. Here's my tips on how to create a journey guide. Start with the shape of your trip. Write down the first and last day and fill it in with all the dates in between. Then you put the accommodation and the trains, the places you're going from A to B each day. Give it a name too. Sarah and Tom's Italy trip, for example, will always beat travel spreadsheet version 2. Add your accommodation details. Hotel name, addresses, phone number of the hotels. It will matter more than you think when you arrive later than planned in case of disruptions, or you want to stay at the station for an extra coffee and you will need that phone just in case. The room time, breakfast, check-in and check-out times are always useful to have there. Map out your journeys. Train, ferry or bus, with departure time and arriving timing. Double check the station names because some cities will have multiple big stations you can depart from and you don't want to arrive to the wrong one. Note which journeys uses a pass day. And if you have any assistance booked at any stations, make sure you note down the reference as well. Leave room for what you're looking forward. Maybe you've booked a tour, an exhibition, a restaurant you want to visit. Get Your Guide is always a good source for inspiration. Arriving somewhere new with a few points of reference is always helpful. Have a few tools for putting it together. Excel and Google Sheet for full control. Polar Steps for looking back at the trip just as much as planning it. Wanderlog for an all-in-one map and guide app. This is one part of a 10-part video series. See below the rest. And of course, if you'd rather not untangle the world of seat reservation yourself, Byway can take the whole trip out of your hands. We'll build the route, book every ferry and train and hotel, and stay on hand throughout your trips just in case anything needs replanning. Thanks for watching and happy planning!